Okay, so I went and got some cardboard and I'm gonna place that down. As you can see, we clean out the bed really good. Now I have some cardboard. I'm gonna put it down and wet it really nice and get it going. Wetting it down, getting it soft. So right now I have the water hose soaking the cardboard, and I went to Lowe's, got a bunch of broken bags of dirt, and we're gonna put that over here. Okay, and this is what the dirt is looking like. So I'm gonna give it a minute. Let the cardboard finish soaking and get started. Okay, need another bag. Okay guys, I worked the dirt in. You can still see a little bit of the cardboard, but this is what it's looking like. I only did one side, and I've got a few things I'm gonna plant. Yeah, so that's what I'm getting ready to do next. Okay, I got some peppers planted. Just watered them in really good. That's what it's looking like. Nothing there yet. And then I have some collard greens right here. And then I have some collard greens right here. I'm getting ready to water it on the side. And now watering in the greens. These are collards. Just giving them a good watering. Get those going. Then I'll be back out here tomorrow. Put a little wood chips around that and keep going. Okay guys, this is what it's looking like. I put some mulch down. That little trench has onions in it, and then of course the collards. As you can see, I'm not done yet. My community garden is having a sale on plants this Saturday, so I'm going to load up on those and yeah, get this baby filled to the brim. Thank you. This is my community garden. These are the tomatoes. Nice little rows with drip irrigation. Make sure I don't fall. And then back there, I see some Swiss chard and a bunch of other little stuff. This is at my community garden. Over here, they have broccoli. Have it mound up. Really nice.